Hi, today I would like to share with you about how to write a problem statement, or sometimes we call problem formulation. So inside the problem statement, we have research question. How to develop a usable research question. So it's absolutely essential to develop a research question that you are interested in or care about it in order to focus your research or your paper writing. So choose an appropriate topic or issue for your research, one that actually can be researched. So list all the questions that you would like to answer yourself. Choose the best questions, one that is neither too broad nor too narrow. Sometimes the number of sources you find will help you discover whether your research question is too broad, too narrow, or okay. If you know a lot about the topic, you can develop a research question based on your own knowledge. If you feel you don't know about the topic, think again. Once you determine what you do know, then you're ready to do some general reading in the textbooks in order to develop a usable research question. So what is topic and issue? So a topic is the research is about. It provides focus for the writing. An issue is a concept upon which you can take a stand. For example, nuclear waste is a topic. Safe and economic disposal of nuclear waste is an issue, or a point of discussion, debate, or dispute. So how to choose a question? Neither too broad or too narrow. For example, if you choose a juvenile delinquencies, a topic that you can be researched, you might ask the following question. What is the 1994 rate of juvenile delinquency in the US? What can we do to reduce juvenile delinquency in the US? Does education play a role in reducing juvenile delinquencies return to crime? So, review this question. Are they too broad or too narrow or okay? So once you complete your list, review the question in order to choose a usable one that is neither too broad or too narrow. So let's have a look on this example. The first one is too narrow, because you can just search using Google, then you can get the answer. The second one is too broad, because we do not know what implies. This is too broad. It implies that the researcher will cover many techniques for reducing juvenile delinquencies that could be used throughout the country. So the third one might be the best research question. It's focused enough to research in some depth. Evaluate your research question. Ask these 8 questions. First, does the question deal with a topic that interests me enough to spark my own thought and opinion? Second, is the research easily and fully reachable? What type of information do I need to answer the research question? Is the scope of this research Is the scope of this information reasonable? Given the type and scope of the information that I need, is my question too broad, too narrow, or okay? What sources will have the type of information that I need to answer the research question. Can I find it in the journals, book, internet resources, government documents, people, and so forth? Can I access these sources? Given the answer to the above question, do I have a good quality research question that I actually will be able to answer by doing research? Okay, let's see the example of research question in computer science. If the success of hyperheuristic framework is largely due to the appropriate design of the high-level heuristic components, that is, heuristic selection mechanism and acceptance criteria, what is the suitable combination of these components? If population-based methods are good in exploring the search space of combinatorial optimization problems, how a population of solution can be integrated within hyperheuristic framework. Then we move in depth to the specific research question. Can we use automatic program generation method to intelligently combine the existing component of the high-level heuristic for the hyperheuristic approach? Can we introduce a hyperheuristic framework that uses a heuristic selection mechanism that can quickly respond to the solution landscape changes by selecting the appropriate heuristic and generate for each instance different acceptance criteria? Can we use automatic program generation method to automatically generate both the heuristic selection mechanism and the acceptance criterion component of high-level heuristic of the hyperheuristic framework? Does the use of population of solution instead of single solution within the hyperheuristic framework can enhance the performance of the hyperheuristic? So, report your finding. One of the most important part of the scientific method is to report the others about your finding. So, you write a thesis. You will help others to learn. So, report either your finding is good or your finding is not good. So, find the answer for the question and sincerely answer that question. With that, thank you very much for listening.